Ecash is a digital currency stage that accompanies a tidal abundance reclassified. Ecash is utilized for installments across the globe without a ledger per trade by rapid exchanges. Ecash is a continuation of the Bitcoin Cash project. The Bitcoin Cash ABC network is a group of experienced designers who began back in 2017. Ecash project is driven by Amaury Sachant, a previous Facebook engineer and Bitcoin pioneer. He played a critical part in the improvement of Bitcoin, and he is the maker of Bitcoin Cash. He presented the Ecash brand in July 2021. Amaury Sachant needed to put a digger charge of 8% on each buy. Normally, recently mined tokens are given to the fruitful digger as a block reward, and later it is shipped off the location having a place with the engineer. This issue prompted conflict between the colleagues, so BCHA split from Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Bitcoin Cash parts into two chains. One of them was called Bitcoin Cash ABC for quite a while, and afterward at last, following an extended period of difficult work, it was relaunched as Ecash in July with another site appearance, extra elements, and the token ZEC. The change from BCHA to ZEC has been finished in 1 to 1 million, and that implies 1 million ZEC for each BCHA client. The redenomination has changed its decimal from 8 to 1. Minutes has dealt with every one of the specialized prerequisites of this transformation from BCHA to ZEC. Presently ZEC is exchanging the vast majority of the trades, and changes have been to some extent done and are as yet going on. The feeling of dread toward expansion, the danger of safety, absence of specialized information, and backing winning in crypto universally, regardless of the multitude of worries, the validity of the coin is expanding consistently. The rising cost of coins backs up the flood of financial backers for the last week. Significant tokens show blended force. The outline shows that the Ecash cost today is exchanging at $0.00009649, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $47,165,340.99. Complete market cap is $1,836,673,312.57 with a coursing supply of 19,29,579,673,313 ZEC. The examination time period is 1 year on the grounds that the coin is new to the trade. Consequently, a legitimate examination is unimaginable in light of the fact that pointers can't unequivocally affirm patterns inside the restricted time span. Verifiable information on the day-to-day graph, the coin has made cost activities commonly. Volume has made sensational promising and less promising times, and ZEC cost is going through a cost remedy after the unsurpassed high. The cost of Ecash went through a consistent upswing from August 2021 to September 2021 first week, upheld by high volume. Bears surpassed the coin, and a sell Ecash sign has framed. The negative pattern had started after the gigantic fall of September 2021 second week, the day when the whole cryptographic money market was down. The cost of Ecash took support at $0.000219. Afterward, the Ecash cost traveled through a blended energy and arrived at the ongoing cost. In any case, the volume was not upheld by the development after September 2021. ADX is moving above. A breakout is normal, and a cost activity toward potential gain is anticipated from the everyday graph. Be that as it may, it could be occurring 1 month from now or perhaps toward the start of the following year. The coin can only with significant effort break the record-breaking high since sufficient volume doesn't back up the exchanges. ZEC is enrolled for this present year subsequently 50 EMA and 200 EMA are over the ongoing cost, while 20 EMA is underneath the ongoing exchanging cost. The following quick obstruction is put at $0.00011, which will cross by the following exchanging meeting if this upturn force proceeds. On the off chance that ZEC crosses the prompt obstruction level, the following significant opposition level is set at $0.00017. The greatest obstacle is the scope of the most exorbitant cost $0.00032982. ZEC needs to cross this level for a drawn-out move. Quick help is set at $0.00008, which has been tried by the ongoing meeting. ZEC cost has previously taken help at $0.00068 and $0.00063. Dissecting more specialized pointers, on balance volume is besides steady, stochastic RSI returning to a purchase affirmation. Examination inside the restricted time period can be finished up as, because of the moving news and promotion occurring in ZEC, financial backers know about the token, the development has happened in ZEC either down or up. Current market feeling is showing remedy in pattern. However, the coin has a tremendous development potential since it is determined as a piece of BTC. Current levels are impressive for medium-term speculation too. When the volumes favor, a vertical breakout is normal in Ecash ZEC. Ecash ZEC price prediction 2022. The estimate information shows a consistent ascent in the Ecash cost from the second quarter of 2022, and a most extreme cost anticipates at $0.000137. The typical cost is anticipated at $0.000125. Any solid pullback in ZEC cost might take Ecash to a base cost of $0.000118 according to the Ecash cost expectation. Ecash price predictions 2023. ZEC cost expectation information shows, ZEC cost for 2023 beginnings at around $0.000155. The final part of the year Ecash cost figure is to exchange at $0.000167 esteem. The base cost anticipated for the year is $0.000128. However, the possibilities of significant worth arriving at this level are less. The typical cost is anticipated at $0.000147. The greatest cost can be $0.000158 before the year's over 2023, according to the Ecash cost forecast. Ecash price forecast 2024. Expanded information security and further developed market cap restricted with functional efficiencies is a justification for the development of crypto universally. Organizations are dealing with security conventions and productive exchange frameworks. Numerous merchants and financial backers of significant coins and altcoins are hanging tight for a green sign in the year 2024 for venture. Coins predict a worth ascent like a value ascent of ordinary monetary standards. Cost expectation Ecash estimate is supposed in any case.